All right, hey guys, so we're gonna be solving some rate and ratio problems today. So we're gonna follow our steps that we normally follow. So here's the question. It says, the ratio of text messages sent by Lucas to the number of text messages sent by his sister is 3 to 4. Lucas sent 18 messages. How many text messages did his sister send? So here we have to remember that when we're giving a ratio, the word that comes first, so we have Lucas and the number 3, and then we have his sister and the number 4. So I know that I'm comparing Lucas to his sister, and I know that Lucas sends 3 text messages for every 4 that his sister sends. Next, we're going to find what they're asking for. So it says, Lucas sent 18 text messages. How many did his sister send? So we're going to set up an equivalent ratio. We know that Lucas gets 18, so that has to go on top next to Lucas. And we're trying to figure out how many did his sister send. So here we have a simple equivalent ratio. We have that 3 to 4 is equal to 18 out of how many? So I'm going to look for a relationship between 3 and 18. Is there a way for me to change a 3 into an 18? Well, I can multiply 3 times 6, which means that I would do the same thing to the 4. I would multiply by that by 6, and that keeps the relationship proportional. And so 4 times 6 is 24. So if Lucas sent 18 text messages, that means that Lucas's sister sent 24. I hope we're making progress here, guys. See you for the next video.